If you've ever suffered the frustration of not being able to open a broken door which has a child lock on the door jamb, then this video will show you how we went from the outside of the door through to the inside and were able to disengage that child lock. We did this by producing a template using the opposite side door which we knew did open, and using the contours and shapes of the door we produced as best we could an accurate template of where that child lock was on the inside of the door. And this was all marked out with just a piece of paper and tape. Anyone could do this. It's a very effective way of opening a door, and it works. So once it was lined up, a pilot hole was drilled using a very small drill bit. Now some people here might be cringing and wincing and thinking, oh no, you can't drill through the bodywork. Well, yes, it is a bit awkward to see this, but a small hole can always be filled up and painted again. Whereas it is a legal requirement for the MOT here in the UK to have opening doors. Now, this is a daily used car, so it's quite frustrating and irritating that you couldn't open the door. So this job needed to be done. The door couldn't be opened from the inside, so it had to be done this way. The handle you see there doesn't actually work at all at this present moment in time, so the child lock had to be removed. Well, the template served its purpose of lining us up with the hole, and now he's going from that pilot hole drill. He can begin going up in size in order to enlarge the radius of that hole there. And the idea for doing this was obviously to get a screwdriver or something through the hole in order to disengage that child lock, but also we thought we'd go a bit larger so that we could fit an endoscope through the hole. You'll see the endoscope in just a moment. An endoscope through the hole so that we could see that if we were or were not in the right place. This was really a testament to the accuracy of the template, of course, because you don't know where you're going. But so that's why we used the endoscope at all. So here you go. This is what, maybe a 8, 9, 10 millimeter drill bit I think we're up to here. And this was the final size we needed to go to in order to fit the endoscope through. The endoscope's a great thing. You can just connect it through an app to your phone and you can see exactly where you are on the inside. Very useful for getting eyes where you can't get to. Well, that's as simple as this fix is, really. As long as your template's good, you'll be okay. Because as you'll see here, this was done the first try. When we were happy with what we could see on the endoscope, he put the screwdriver through the hole, wiggled it around a little, and there you go. Ta-da! Like I say, this really shows the importance of a good template. Look how good that hole is, how close it is, how accurate it is to the switch. You'll see here what was happening on the inside. The screwdriver went through and hit that switch, disengaging the door latch. Now, if this video is helpful to you, well, please leave a comment and like the video. All the best to you, and God bless you in your car repairs. Goodbye.